How to download your Facebook Messenger chat conversations. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download your Facebook Messenger's chat conversation. So let's begin. First, open up your Facebook. After you open it up, go to the menu section on the bottom right and tap on the settings. After you're there, you'll need to go to your Meta Account Center. Tap on it. After you're there, go to your information and permissions. Now after you're there, you will see download your information option. Tap on it and here you will be able to download your information. First, you'll have to request for the information. So simply tap on download or transfer. After you do that, select your account, tap on next, tap on specific type of informations. Under here, select messages and scroll down. If you want some more information, just select these buttons and then tap on next. Tap on download to device and you can even select the select the date range. After you do so, tap on create files and it will start creating the files. And after it starts creating the files, you will see this option. You will see available downloads. Simply tap on download and you will be able to download your information. And it's that simple, guys. That is how you download Facebook Messenger chat conversations. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.